Okay, good morning everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments on this Wednesday, May 29th. So here we are off to the races again in the overnight trade. Now we're having gap higher openings even in the oilseeds along with the corn and the wheat. Trade looking at the crop progress and the emergence numbers yesterday for the corn and beans and the winter wheat conditions coming on down, all adding to the fuel to the plus side in the marketplace at this point in time. So here we are trying to go and determine when's the weather going to go and change, and or perhaps more importantly, when does maybe the money flow want to stop coming back either out of net short positions like we still surmise that they have, and or what happens if they want to go and get long the marketplace. We, a home team, I'm going to say this is a little bit of a difference right here. Now the home team wants to try and take advantage of this boost that we're getting in the marketplace, such as in the point that for 2018, wheat, corn, and beans, they probably want to be in the neighborhood of around 70% hedged with this rally. In the 2019 marketing year, around 50%, and in the 2020 year, around 30% in corn, wheat, and soybeans. And the average price that they're looking at on this rally for right now is $5.10 to $5.30 in the wheat, roughly around $4.25 to $4.50 in the corn, and in the neighborhood of around $9 to $9.25 in the soybeans. It's kind of ironic that we're getting this rally in the marketplace because I think a lot of people thought that maybe around a month or so ago that we potentially could have a rally coming on the heels, that there would be some trade war compromise going on, and that never was really the case. And here was weather that kind of produced this type of rally because the same type of game plan was in place back then as it is now. Probably even a little bit more surprising, however, is that if we're out there now losing supplies over weather, and or if a compromise comes with the trade war, now you're losing supplies on two ends. So I guess it gets it back into, this is probably just the first stop potentially on the rally in the marketplace. If once again it's still a long summer growing season in here, we've got a lot of stuff to plant. The weather can change. The weather's supposed to get a little bit better. The 11 to 15 or 11 to 16 day forecast is also a little bit more advantageous to get some stuff done. But once again, the marketplace is still a little bit on pins and needles with the fact that they're still net short and the money flow may want to come on out of it. So step one today, as far as maybe a little bit of a peak, but don't forget that potentially this is not out of the system as of yet. And on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably put it at a 5 or a 6 at this point in time. So anyway, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. I thank you.